Hey everyone, Ryan here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to use Synthesia for beginners. I'll be covering an overview of what this tool is, how you can get started with Synthesia, and I'll also cover the pricing, features, and more. So without much further ado, let's get right into the video. So first things first, let's take a look at what Synthesia is all about. And as you can see from their website's homepage, Synthesia is an AI-powered video creation platform that enables you to create very high-quality videos in just a matter of minutes, without the need for expensive equipment, actors, or any video editing skills. With Synthesia, you can create a wide range of video content, including training videos, how-to guides, marketing videos, and even virtual avatars that can serve as guides or presenters. One of the standout features of Synthesia is its ability to create videos in over 130 languages or accents, making it a global solution for video creation. And with plans starting at just around $30 per month, it's an affordable option for businesses and individuals alike. Now let's dive into the process of actually creating a video with Synthesia. The first step would be to create a free account, which is a quick and easy process that doesn't even require a credit card. Simply scroll down through the website until you see the Create a Free AI Video button, and then follow the prompts to select a template and edit your script. Also, it's worth mentioning that Synthesia has strict guidelines against any inappropriate content, so make sure that your script is free from any political, sexual, or discriminatory language. Once you've edited your script, simply click on Continue and Synthesia will generate your video within minutes. The video will be sent straight to your email inbox. And before we dive into the actual video creation process itself, let's take a quick look at Synthesia's pricing and features. As you can see, Synthesia offers both personal and corporate plans, with the personal plan starting at just around $30 per month. And for that price, you get 10 video credits per month, 70 plus AI avatars, the 120 plus languages and voices, plus a built-in screen recorder. One of the standout features of the personal plan is the ability to use free stock images and videos within your content. You can also import PowerPoint presentations and create videos with up to 10 slides. And if you ever needed any custom avatars or more advanced features, then Synthesia's corporate plans have got you covered. So to create your free video with Synthesia, just to test the platform out and see how the video would end up looking like, then you would have to click on the Create a Free Video and then choose one from the available templates. There are options for how-to videos, sales pitches, learning and development content, and so much more. For this video example, I'm going to select Compliment, and then you would have to edit your video script in any language that you desire. So I'm going to choose a Spanish script just to change things up. So I think I like my script for now, so I'm going to go ahead and generate the video. And as you can see, after just a little bit, our AI generated video is ready.
Hola Ana, Jaque quería decirte que eres una estrella del rock. Tus contribuciones son una gran parte del éxito del equipo. Gracias por todo lo que haces.
And the results are absolutely amazing. The AI avatar delivered the script with natural sounding speech and I guess perfect Spanish, making it almost feel like a real person was presenting the content. The video could also include relevant visuals and graphics that would help reinforce the key points and make your content more engaging. I also have to mention that while Synthesia's AI is incredibly impressive, it's not a complete replacement for human-created content. So if you're looking to create highly personal or emotional content, or if you want to showcase your own unique personality and style, then there is no substitute for creating videos yourself. However, for businesses and individuals looking to create high-quality professional-looking videos quickly, then Synthesia is an absolute game changer. It is an incredibly versatile tool that can be used for a wide range of video creation needs. So whether you're creating training videos for your employees, maybe how-to guides for your customers, or any marketing content to promote your products or services, then Synthesia has got you covered. One of the key benefits of using this tool is the ability to create professional quality videos without the need for expensive equipment, actors, or any video editing skills. And this makes it an ideal solution for small businesses, startups, or individuals, especially if you want to create engaging video content on a budget. Another great use for this tool, as you could see from the video I created, is creating localized content for a global audience. With the ability to generate videos in over 120 languages and accents, Synthesia makes it easy to create content that resonates with the viewers around the world, helping you expand your reach and engage with new audiences. And that will be a wrap on today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know what your thoughts are on this tool in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.